Today is a demo for you guys to understand how we are going to play this quiz, understand the format and process. And I'm quite excited to play this game. And so far, everybody who has played earlier, quite a few of you today are also previous participants, so they know it, and we enjoy that game. This game can be enjoyed with all the parents and grandparents, or your friends or siblings or whoever they are. But basically, it is a fun process. So let's have the fun today. We will start with the quiz. We have a quiz master who is supposed to join, but because he is traveling, he is having some difficulty in probably connecting to the internet or whatever. However, we will see how we can move forward with the demo. And once again, welcome and enjoy the game. And those who have not registered, and if they like the game, please do register yourself. And if you have any questions or anything, we are here to answer. And there are some good prizes. So let's be looking forward to the 29th of January. We will play the game as final game. And I wish you, all of you, a very good luck and best of luck for and big winners for every one of you. Okay. All right, Nehal, if we can start with our trial demo. Nehal, are you ready?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So before we start with the demo, one small little instruction for everyone. So the process of registering, when you register on the Google form for the quiz, आपको एक email आएगा, right? Everybody, all those who have registered, you've received an email which has your quiz ID. Correct? It has your quiz ID. So it mentions quiz dash 00001234 ऐसा करके एक number आया होगा. Correct? Everybody? Right? All those who have registered, you've received a quiz ID like that. Now,
Yes.
you have to use that quiz ID in two places. Okay? When you are registering, when you are joining this WebEx meeting, your name has to be the quiz ID ka name. Agar those who have not joined with their quiz IDs, you can see in the participants list, you can see there are a few students who have put in their names like that. Okay, 2084 underscore Kavish, 2260 underscore Dhairya. So that is the pattern in which you have to use, in which you have to register in the WebEx meeting. Okay, right? And second place where you have to use it is for the Kahoot nickname. Okay, so आपका एक device है जिसपे you have the WebEx का meeting. So it's either your computer or your laptop or a tablet or something, or maybe a second phone. All right, एक phone पे आपका WebEx है, and the second device which will be your phone. Okay, और phone पे आपको Kahoot app download करना है.
Hello.
Arya, can we wait for some time? Let me finish and then you can put on all your questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Right? Second device पे, phone पे आपको Kahoot app download करना है. All right? And you have to punch in your answers on that Kahoot app. Okay? Now, जब वो Kahoot app पे आप खेलना start करोगे, it will ask for a nickname. All right? एक game pen आएगा, उसके बाद एक nickname आएगा. Nickname has to be this, the 4 digits followed by your name. I'm going to share my screen. This is how it has to be. Is my screen visible? It may come up for in a few
Yes,
seconds.
it is visible. Thank you.
Okay. Right? This has to be the pattern in which you are registering on the WebEx meeting also, and the nickname on Kahoot also. अगर Kahoot पे आपका ये नाम नहीं आता है, and if you are even eligible to win a prize, we will not be able to consider you because it will not show up on the list properly. Okay, I think it's a fair point. So everybody has to be very careful about this. All right, I will start explaining more as in when we start playing. All right, now.
I had a question. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, I was saying, can we do the quiz and the WebEx on the same device?
No, dear, it will not be possible because WebEx pay, we are going to show you the questions.
So we can switch the tabs, right?
You don't have so much of time, dear. All the questions are
You
timely.
can switch the tabs, but then you will lose time. And one of the criteria of winning is the quick answer.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, Arya also had some question.
Also had a doubt. Means what will be the model of the quiz?
We'll come to that.
That we are going to play now, no?
We'll play, so you will come to know all the detail about it.
Now I want to change my name to my code. So how can I change my name?
You will not be able to do that in the middle of the meeting, but just keep it in mind. When you play on the 29th, make sure that you are putting in your name like that.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Are we ready to play now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. It is a sincere request to everyone. Please keep your microphones on mute, or then I will not have an option but to put everybody on mute. It will not be fun. So, very consciously,
One
please
more.
keep all your microphones on mute.
Yeah, one more thing I wanted to ask that over here, in the demo also we have to play or only you will show?
No, you have to
You will
play.
play. You
Okay.
have to win.
Okay, so in case anybody who is not having Kahoot downloaded on a second device,
पूछ दो एडा आंसर एंटर
sorry. एक सेकेंड डिवाइस पे एक फोन पे Kahoot डाउनलोड करके रखो, Kahoot ऐप.
Is everybody aware about Kahoot app? I hope.
Yes. Yes. In Kahoot app, it is enter answer. Is it like that?
You have to answer through Kahoot app. That's right.
Okay. So, but after joining in Kahoot app, what process we have to do?
You have to select your answer and post that answer accordingly.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, where we will get the questions?
We'll get it here, dear. We
You
are
will
about
get it
to
on your
start.
screen.
Okay.
Can you give 2 minutes? Actually, I didn't know we had to download the Kahoot app, so I'm doing the downloading part. Can you give
It's
2
okay.
minutes?
You download and keep it ready.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me. In Kahoot, where is what game pin is there?
Game ID
also
will
you will
come to
come
you
to
on
know.
your screen.
It's here.
Okay.
It's here. Now everybody can see this.
Now you will.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll just
It's okay.
start.
It's okay. You log in.
You take
So
your time
now,
to download, but can you see the
after
game
this,
pin on the top?
Yes.
Yes,
That's
we
the
can
game
see.
pin.
तो यहाँ पे you have to see अभी मेघ गोसर ने जो ज्वाइन किया है ना, if you join with the name of Megh Gosar, you will not be eligible to win the prize. But to 2386 Jenim is eligible. Oh, too many of y'all now. Perfect. Kashvi, not eligible. आपको समझ में आ रहा है ये?
Ma'am, after downloading the app, how can we join it like this?
You have to enter the game pin.
It will give you an option to enter game pin.
Enter pin.
Okay.
If you enter the game pin, then only you will be eligible. Your name will appear along with your identification.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Miss, where will we get the pin?
It's on the screen, beta.
Miss, not that which 4-digit number which we have to put before our name.
That will come to you
Have
on
you
registration.
registered for the quiz?
Yes.
So email te આવે ઉનો બેટા.
નાય આવ્યો.
No dear, not possible. તો કોઈ બેમણી કે કિયા છે?
Link a viewer.
Whoever has entered this, no, 737035006, you are not supposed to do that, okay? So only valid entries will be your 4 digits of the quiz ID underscore your first name.
Yes,
Apart
just a minute.
from that, no other entry will be eligible to win.
Okay.
And we will not be able to change this rule. ये 1 2 3 4 वृद्धि भी जिसमें लिखा है ये नहीं चलेगा.
Ma'am, after joining, the screen is showing that you are in, and now
See your nickname.
And your name will show up on the
Is
screen.
your name? Can you see your name on the screen over here?
yes, ma'am.
Bus.
Yes.
That's it.
Then you are
ready
already
now.
there in the game.
You are in the game. When we click start over here, no, there will game start થઈ when we.
Okay, okay, ठीक है.
1708 dash Pari not allowed. Underscore Pari 4 digits of the quiz underscore name first name. That is it. We will not make any exemptions, any relaxations in considering for the prizes. Please make sure you're putting in your names very properly. Are we ready to play? Has everybody joined in?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Hane, now we all make a very conscious effort to not unmute ourselves and give our comments in the middle. You can put in reactions, you can put in messages, but don't unmute yourself and don't give any comments in the middle. Okay, this is an extremely timed quiz game. जो टाइमिंग जितने सेकंड्स का पर क्वेश्चन का टाइमिंग है उतना ही रहेगा. So your internet has to be very stable. If you are using Wi-Fi at home and there are other members also जो को same Wi-Fi use करिएगा, for that time you can try and avoid anybody else using it. Okay, so that you can have good connection, you can have proper bandwidth. Because आलोके जी साइड जो अगर कोई भी इंटरनेट जो ग्लिच किया तो we will not be able to help you with that. Right? Fair enough? Are we ready to start? I see 34 names.
So far 34, yes.
Can we start?
We guess so.
Okay. Perfect. I'm still seeing students joining in, but let's go. Okay. Keep a check on the screen and on your phone. Question 1. What are the tiny dots that make up a picture on a computer screen called? On your phone, you will see these 4 colors. इसमें से whichever you feel is the right, you have to mark. Click on that answer. See, ये लोगों कितना जड़ा आंसर करी केड़ा आयो, that you will be able to see here. Time is up. Okay. So, after every question, we will be able to identify कि right answer कौन सा है और किसने right answers दिए हैं, कितने लोगों ने right answers दिए. The trick over here, or the essence of the entire game, is based on timing. So it is a 30-second जो question. आई કેટલો જલ્દી અમને આન્સર કર્યો था ઓટલા આંજા પોઈન્ટ્સ ઓટોમેટિકલી કાઉન્ટ થઈએ था. ओके
नेहल मैडम, एक क्वेश्चन है स्मॉल, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू इन बिटवीन.
जी सर बोलिए ना.
अब भी 30 सेकंड्स रखा है, तो क्विज के लिए भी 30 सेकंड्स ही रहेगा आंसर देने के लिए, कि उसमें कम ज्यादा होने वाला है?
इट इज 30 seconds.
ओके, थैंक यू.
या ओके. सो Kahoot, the game itself is going to automatically calculate all your scores, but backend way we will have a different calculation to see how many of you all have entered your names and everything correctly. Okay, can we continue? Everybody is okay? I need to see a good number of thumbs up coming to me. Can we continue?
Yes.
Great. Next question. Identify this logo. Whoa. This was very quick. 10 seconds के अंदर majority लोगों ने आंसर्स दे दिए. Nice. I think we will have to increase the difficulty of our questions.
Yes.
Sure, you bet. Good work. Good work, everybody. Next question. The disease pneumonia affects which part of our body? Still waiting for a few answers? नहीं हो गए. Good. Taras. Very good.
This is the highest number that people have responded right.
Yes.
So the IQ is improving. It's good. You guys are participating very well. I am pleased.
I'm glad we did this demo quiz. We will have to change the entire set of questions for this particular gang of students. Okay. शिवाजी राव गायकवाड़ कौन है? You must ask your parents, your younger and older siblings to join. Shivaji Rao Gaikwad. Everybody go back and check. Google everything afterwards. Next. For which brand did Alia Bhatt and Ranveer Singh appear in a series of television commercials? ये मम्मी पापा के टाइम का नहीं है, प्लीज.
ये अभी का है.
ये अभी का है. If your parents have still not joined you for the quiz, your parents, your grandparents, let your family members join. उनको भी मजा करने दो. स्मार्ट बच्चे हो सब.
आजकल वैसे भी टीवी बहुत देखते हैं तो पता चल जाता है आंसर।
Very good. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus were all invented in India. True or false? मैंने बहुत ज्यादा अंडर एस्टिमेट कर दिया ये ग्रुप को. We are only 15 seconds in the question and we have all the answers. Now I will have to face a timeline to complete all, finding all difficult questions. क्या कर रहे हो लोगों? ठीक है. Time to practice more. Okay, next. Which city in India is known as the city of joy? Come on, ये मैंने by itself बहुत easy कर दिया है. Okay. Okay. Good work. Next. ये बताओ किसको नहीं आता? See, क्या स्पीड पे आंसर्स आ रहे हैं लोगों के. वाह.
मैंने बाय मिस्टेक जल्दी में रॉन्ग क्लिक कर दिया।
Very good. Nice work. Very good. Never seen Harry Potter. Very good. ये जल्दी जल्दी में ही तो काम नहीं करने का है ना.
सोच के करना है.
नाइस. अभी आज के बाद सब लोग बैठ के हैरी पॉटर की बुक्स या हैरी पॉटर के क्वेश्चन ढूंढने बैठना सब लोग. You guys are doing a great job. Who is the author of the book A Tale of Two Stories? Tale of Two Cities. Sorry. Good.
The last one now.
Now the last question.
How are you enjoying the game? I hope, guys.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, the last one. Identify the monument.
It comes in TV quite often.
You bet. यहाँ पे अभी किसी ने कमेंट किया था. अभी हम लोग टीवी बहुत देखते हैं.
हाँ, किसी ने बोला था.
मैंने बोला था।
हाँ, so you got the answer right.
Yes.
You did.
Yes.
White House.
Good, good. Okay. So now this is a pattern of Kahoot which will show the top 3 winners, but we are not going to follow this because DKVO dash Vipul will not qualify for the prize, right? So after this is over, after the quiz is over here, we will have a backend running of all the scores, identifying all the eligible and all the registered participants. उसके बाद उनके points के basis पे we will have the top winners.
Ma'am, what will be the number of questions asked?
Okay, so it is still in discussion right now, but as of now we plan to play 10 rounds on different topics with 10 questions each. And of course, I'm not going to tell you what the 10 rounds are.
Okay.
Madam,
Okay.
don't tell the rounds, but we can request you for the topic.
नहीं, वो rounds ही तो हो गया ना यार मोनिल भाई फिर.
No,
Round
at
is
least,
तो
at
मैंने
least you
मोनिल
can.
भाई round
इतना
तो
information
subjects
दे
है.
दिया. 10 rounds of 10 questions each. अब आगे आप लोग थोड़ा practice करो.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yes, sir.
100%.
Great, great.
मोनिल भाई, I have a question. आपके पास वहाँ पे कितने बच्चे बैठे हैं अभी?
1 2 3 4 5 6 बच्चे हैं.
Very good. How many? यहाँ पे जितने भी मेरे पास यहाँ पे open videos हैं, all those students who kept their videos on, I can see only the kids sitting over here. I will really request everyone to sit with your parents and your छोटे बड़े भाई बहन and everybody, so that it's basically a fun quiz, right? And it will be good if everybody is able to join, and it will be a nice time to spend with family.
Side support नहीं
I just read one message. Somebody asked how to register. You have to visit the website, the DDKF website. It is www.ddkf.org. There we have the registration link. There is a document which very specifically mentions the rules and certain instructions and procedure to follow during the quiz. I request everybody to go through with that list of instructions. It is very important. And again, I'm repeating this. We will not be able to make any exceptions in your names. अंडरस्कोर की जगह पे डैश डाल दिया, नाम में कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया, नंबर नहीं डाला और सिर्फ नाम डाल दिया. We will not be able to make any exceptions. It's a very direct, a very calculated procedure, and that is how it will be followed. So everybody has to be very careful. Okay.
Okay.
Now, anybody having any questions can raise your hands, and we'll take it one by one. I see Arav Saya. Arav, you have a question here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arav.
Miss, I have registered and I got the demo mail, but I didn't get the number mail.
They are not possible, no? तो कि अगर ये demo वालो email आया है, that means you are registered over here. Only then I will get your email, no, beta? Check your junk box, spam box check कर. तो email जो अगर बिया कोई folders बनेला आई, बिया कोई tabs बनेला आई, वो बड़े check कर एकड़ी बार.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Okay. All right. Kavan.
You can refresh.
Kavan, I see Kavan's hand. You can unmute and ask, dear.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I was having one issue with internet, and it was getting hanged, and I was getting the questions around 4 to 5 seconds after.
उसका तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना बेटा. That is why I just mentioned कि internet connectivity, you will be responsible on your end. तो अगर घर में Wi-Fi अगर strong न तो लगे, तो maybe you can use phone का connection, hotspot लेके कोई connectivity का कहाँ पे arrangement हो सकता है better, that you will have to make arrangement.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Jayesh bhai, Jayesh Karani.
यस मैम आई वांट टू आस्क ये खाली डेमो राउंड था ना, नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए ये काउंटेबल नहीं है ना?
नहीं,
definitely. No. This is just to
एक्चुअली
play.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत लेट ज्वाइन किया तो वो सब मेरे को इन्फॉर्म नहीं था, इसके लिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ, that's okay. This was only just to get खाली क्विज जो टेस्ट केड़ो है वो नेरेला करी वो. बाकी हाणे 29th जो फाइनल क्विज रमबो.
एट व्हाट टाइम? द टाइम विल गिव आफ्टरवर्ड, और अभी आप बता रहे हो?
Sorry? क्या?
On
खाली
29th,
next
what time, Nehal?
हाँ
I'm not able to understand this.
Okay.
हाँ
On 29th, what time do we have to play the quiz?
It's at 4 o'clock in the evening.
4 o'clock.
ઓકે
Saturday evening, 4 o'clock.
ઓકે બેટર થેન્ક યુ
Yeah.
અને એકચ્યુઅલી છોકરી છે કે પેરેન્ટ્સ જે હે
Anybody can play.
અરે જયેશ
ઓકે
ભાઈ
ઓકે
ખ્યાલ કર્યો હતા કે બચ્ચે કરતા આથી વધારે મજા આવી જાય એટલે અહીં
હા
છોકરી
સચ્ચી સચ્ચી ગાલ હે હા એકચ્યુઅલી મુજો છોકરો તનિષ મુકે ફોર્સ કરતો રમો રમો કરીને
અરે
એટલે
અમને
એટલા
શરમ
પૂછતો
મૂકી રમે જો આકે નહીં રમે જો આકે તો ખાલી
ઓકે
સપોર્ટ કરે જો
યસ 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 થેન્ક યુ
રજિસ્ટ્રેશન તનિષ્ઠ નાલે જો કહી દે આજો ન કહી દે આકે એલિજિબલ ન કરી કો રમેલા કરી
ઓકે ઓકે થેન્ક યુ
Okay, I just read some query over here and I have missed out on it. Just can people who have not registered just join? As in,
Because when I'm going to give the quiz, I'm going to be out of town, so my brothers can also join.
no dear, but you cannot have a proxy for playing a quiz.
No, I'm saying with me. I will also
With you,
join, but
yes,
Yeah.
but not
okay.
on a different device, huh?
Yeah,
Also,
okay.
also,
Same device.
for example, Jinay hai na? Kya baat kar rahe ho?
Yes,
Jinay,
yes.
no? So Jinay,
Yes.
suppose अभी के लिए you have registered 2455 underscore Jinay करके. Agar your brother is also registering with the same device, with the same name, sorry, on a different device. If I find two similar names, both will be disqualified,
Okay, okay, I got it.
right? Because दोनों में
Yes,
से मैं verify कैसे करूँ कि कौन सा genuine है या नहीं है?
yes, okay,
All right?
okay, okay,
Is one
thank
of the
you.
reason everybody has an individual 4-digit number in front
Okay,
of your name.
okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Right? Anybody else?
Okay, guys, we see you now on 29th. Let's keep the entertainment up and let's see how we all can win. I wish you all a very good time for playing the game and winning. There is a lot of prizes to be won. So make yourself more sharper on your memory and your knowledge, and let's see how one can win. Yes.
Okay. Thank you everybody for joining.
Somebody said it
Please
was a great
encourage
fun.
your friends and your cousins, your friends, your Kachhi friends, your KBO friends to register for the quiz, and your cousins also. 20th January, we are going to close down the form at 5 o'clock in the evening. So make sure that you are going to finish this registration process before that. Okay?
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Thank you everybody
Everybody have
for
a good
joining.
time.
We are going to sign off now.
Wish you all the best of luck for the game.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.